Good afternoon, guys. My name is Steve. Today we are going to show a short video how to use this stethoscope and how to know the model stethoscope and the model height. So please, if you're there watching this video, just keep watching, sit, relax, and enjoy.
Hello guys, my name is Joshua Charles Medad at St. Joseph. Now I'm here to present about a stethoscope. A stethoscope is a device that is used to measure heartbeats of a mammalian heart. Now these here are two models of a stethoscope. Now, the uses of stethoscope. Stethoscope is mostly used by doctors at the hospital to check a human's heart. And I'm going to use my friend Steven here as an example. So Steve, first. Now I can hear Steven's heartbeats, so I'm going to measure his heartbeats per minute. Now I'm from measuring Steven's heartbeat per minute is 100. Now my friend Steven is going to do 30 jumping jacks. So Steven, may you start? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Now I'm going to measure Steven's heartbeats. Now the results are, now after Steven did 30 jumping jacks, the results were 114 heartbeats. Why did it increase from 100 to 114? It increased because while Steven was standing here, the heart didn't need to pump much oxygen. But when Steven was doing jumping jacks, the heart needed to pump more oxygen in order for the hands and legs to be able to do the jumping jacks easily.